Okay boys, so today we'll fix my windscreen in my Honda Civic. So I bought that on eBay because I don't want to ring that engineer from insurance. You know, I can ring just windscreen repair team and they'll fix it for me, but then my insurance will be higher. Because they'll say I'm ringing, you know, for fixing, so I don't want. And all I've done is I bought that kit on eBay. It costed me like, as you can see, this says $13.99. There's discounts. I don't know why, but then there is a blah blah blah, free postage and VAT, blah blah blah. All together is $6.99 British pounds. Yeah. So I've got that kit, came really quick, 2 days, and was here. And let's have a look inside what we've got. It's of course very similar kit like you can see on YouTube, because I found a video on YouTube. I'll show you very quick. Oh shit. What is it?
You'll see the steps involved using the Windshield repair kit. Here are the items packaged in the kit. There's the injector barrel. Notice the pin on the injector end.
I don't have pin in my set, but it doesn't matter.
Contains the adhesive seal.
I've got 2 in my set.
A container of liquid resin and the curing film.
Yeah.
You'll have to supply a safety razor.
We've got safety razor as well.
A safety razor blade will work. It's recommended that before you start the repair, read the printed instructions that are included in the kit.
Yeah, so that's what I've got. So there is a full instruction here, and they're saying
with 2 pieces of glass with a layer of plastic known as PVB sandwiched in between. Stone damage creates a break in the outer glass. The object of the repair is to fill the break with resin, removing the air pockets. To start, clean the damaged area. Clean out any loose glass particles from the pit of the break using the pin from the ejector.
I don't have the pin, but I'll find something else. Okay, it doesn't matter. I was watching that a few times and it looks quite easy to do, so that's what my set will contain. I need 2 hands for that. Yeah. That's what I've got. Of course, printed instruction, curing films, and all that bullshit. So we've got 3 curing films. Yeah, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then we've got a bottle of it says windscreen repair resin. There's quite a lot inside. And then we've got vacuum for that. And then we've got friggin' what I call it? Pedestal. Yeah, we've got that. Then we've got 2 adhesive seals. First one, second one. So I've got, you can do 2 repairs on with this kit. And then we've got a razor blade packed into a cardboard safety pouch, I believe. Yeah. And of course, printed instruction how to use it properly. Oh, it's even 4 of them films. 4 of them, so it's quite a lot. So this is basically the same as on that movie on YouTube's. Just mount seal to windshield, remove backing from seal, blah blah blah. Mount pedestal to adhesive seal, place resin into pedestal, which is that point here. Then you need to Okay, then connect injector pedestal, lock plunger into vacuum position, which is the top one. Yeah, you can hear one click and then there is another one. That's a vacuum position. Make sure it's locked. Yeah. And then, yeah, lock plunger into vacuum position, then fill injector with air. To the max, move plunger to pressure. Yeah, and then twist it a bit, then move it to pressure. And then remove pedestal from glass. And then pit filling procedure. So then you need to use some films and a razor blade later on. Curing and finishing. And that's it. You've got timing everywhere, so just stick to that, and yeah. So I'll try to set up a tripod or something. So basically that's what you've got inside in this kit. And let's test it. Alright boys, so this is my windscreen chip, and we'll try to fix it. And let's have a look from on a macro. So I've got my camcorder on a macro position. So as you can see, it's not too big. It's just like a 5mm maybe in diameter. It's my small finger right here. So it's, as you can see, it's not big. But maybe they'll say something on MOT and just make me mad that will. So I'll try to fix it. I've cleaned that windscreen a bit, and let's start. I'll bring the kit and we'll start. Okay boys, so let's start. And this chip is right here. Windshield is already cleaned, so I'm putting adhesive seal on it. Yeah. That's how they say in instruction. That will be on top. Make sure it's got good bond. So that's what I'm doing. It's good. Just make sure it's clean in here. Perfect. So now we'll place a pedestal on it. Yeah. So we'll take that backing off. Piece of red layer. Good. Now you need to center pedestal with that piece right here. So make sure it's good. And roughly about that. Good. Now place resin into pedestal. Slowly squeeze 5 to 6 drops into pedestal. 5 to 6 drops. Right. So I've got that friggin' resin right here. So we've got one, two, three, four, 5, 6. I'll do one more. Okay. That's good. And then they say wipe any excess of resin from tip with cloth and save the empty container to step 11. Connect injector to pedestal. Right. And then lock plunger. Right. So just press it. Okay, I believe that's good. And then lock plunger into vacuum position, which is that top one. I can hear click. So that should remove all air bubbles. It should, of course. And I can see some air bubbles there. So I'll just have a look inside. Got a key. Okay, that looks alright. Then fill injector with air. Let's set it for 10 minutes. So I'll leave it for 10 minutes now and we'll see you later. Alright, so 9 minutes already gone. Now it's maybe even 10 minutes. And now we'll move that friggin' plunger from place. It's getting like, yeah, it's nice sucking action there. So now we need to, as far as I'm reading in this instruction, move it right up, place it here. Make sure it sits tight. Then move it to move plunger to pressure. So So we'll move it to pressure right now. Yeah. And block in this position. And leave it for at least a minimum of 20 minutes. Okay boys, so during waiting for my main friggin' project, I'm fixing a few other places. There's one here, there's one there. Yeah. So with that curing film method, so I'll leave that for about 1 hour. Let it sit, and then we'll check. Does that help or not? So yeah, it was really tiny marks. It was not cracks, but just little tiny chips. As you can see, that was hit by a stone years ago. So during waiting for my main project, about 5 minutes more, and I'll take it off, and then we'll see. We'll see, is that better or not? Oh, freak's sake, what's that all bullshit about? So yeah, later.
The spring clip. Let the plunger sit for a minimum of 20 minutes.
Okay, I've got 20 minutes.
Remove the pedestal from the glass. After 20 minutes, loosen the outer edges of the pedestal with a safety razor.
Alright, that's what I'm doing now.
Once the top part of the pedestal and seal is bent away from the glass surface, grip the pedestal tab and slowly pull until it's removed.
Okay, we'll pause that video now. So that's what I'm doing. I'm removing that friggin' pedestal. It's not so easy, but it's possible. Just be careful, watch your fingers, don't cut yourself with a razor, because then you fix your body, not friggin' windshield. Holy, that's removed for sure. So what are you saying later?
Wipe away any excess resin. Pit filling procedure. Hold the resin container.
We'll pause that video for now. Need to remove that friggin' seal first. Holy fuck, boys. That's looked awesome. A lot better than it was before. That's good. I'm happy. That's good. This looks nice. There is a small spit hole in there, but I'll fill it up now. Not bad at all, barely visible now. Friggin' barely. So now I'll clean that. They say clean excess of resin. I'll clean everything was splattered around. It's okay. Make sure your towel is clean. Microfiber towel, that will be the best for that job. and then you can wash it and you can use it again and again and again and again. So that's what I've got here. It's way better than it was. So now we'll fix it completely. I'll fix it completely. So
one hand and the curing film in the other. Slowly squeeze the resin container, applying a drop of resin into the pit. Place the curing film over the pit which holds the resin in place. Curing and finishing. Run the safety razor lightly over the film to vent out any air bubbles. The sun's ultraviolet rays cure the resin, so park the vehicle in direct sunlight for 15 minutes. On hazy days, park the vehicle in sunlight for a minimum of 1 hour.
So,
to finish, scrape off the cured resin and the clear film flush with the glass surface using the safety razor.
yeah. Okay. Okay, mister. As you're saying, you're the boss.
And clean off the glass and the repair is complete.
Alright, so we'll see you later. Alright boys, so as you can see, I'm fixing that now, and I'll leave it for about 1 hour because it's a very cloudy day today, so well, we'll see in about 1 hour. Take care. I hope I'll fix my windshield. Okay, so after 1 hour I'll try to remove this one, and then already I can do all them 3, and that's it. It'll be golden. So let's do it. Right. It's working, surprisingly. Oh, it's barely visible, boys. It's friggin' barely visible now. That's a way better here. That's first one. Good. That's the second one now. that was fixed by somebody else, and then I just put some more filler in because it was small pit hole, but now that should disappear. Friggin' trains all the time. Yeah, now it's nice and flat. I'm friggin' happy. Nice and flat. Because previously I could feel a hole right there, but now it's nice and flat. Alright, let's move to third one, which is right here. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Was just a small one, but it's nice and barely visible, so that'll help a lot. That's good. Till now everything is fixed as I wanted. No, it's not new, but it'll look a lot better than it was before. Yeah, and then my main friggin' project, boys. Holy. Yeah. So let's start that. Oh wait, a flaring hole already gone. So if that will be a sunny day, I'll wait about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, but if it's a cloudy day, I was waiting for about 1 hour now, so that's enough. Holy frig, it's way better than it was. I'll try one more time. Try one more time. And then that'll be perfect then. Holy. I'm already really happy, boys. because that'll help a lot. But I'll try one more time. As you can see, whoop, sorry. What's right there? It's just barely visible, just a small one. So I'll try one more time, and we'll see later on. About 1 hour. Holy fuck, boys! It started raining, so I was just teaching, having a small nap, and then you can see it's raining, you know. But we'll just clean that off. And you can't sleep in this place, you know, because all the time it's raining. All the time is something. But anyways, all I can see it's awesome. It's good. A good effect, which I exactly expected. It's barely visible. This is nice and flat, you can't feel it. So there's a small mark, you know, but it's a lot better. So take care, boys. I'm going because it's raining. Freak's sake.